JoJo bows are all the rage. So we're gonna start, we have some grosgrain, 2.5-inch wide ribbon, and I'm gonna start, I have my Mini Bowdabra plate, which lets me measure. We're gonna make this a 3-inch bow, maybe a little bit more than 3 inches, and our Mini Bowdabra. So I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, I've folded it in half, I'm just gonna lay that over the plate and tuck the ends under. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my grosgrain and I'm gonna measure out like right to the corner, and I'm gonna twist and put that down into the Bowdabra. Then next I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna fold it back, I'm gonna twist, and I'm measuring it to the end of the plate. That way it'll be even on both sides. Next thing I'm gonna do is exactly the same, just gonna twist it. Make sure that it's the right length here and put that down into the Mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my wand because this ribbon is very thick, and just make sure I have everything scrunched right in there. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to fold it back, make sure that it's even, twist it and put it down into my Mini Bowdabra, and just really pushing in with my hands to hold the ribbon in. Now for this last loop, I'm gonna again measure and make sure it goes to the edge of the Bowdabra hair bow tool. And this time, I'm just gonna make our mountain up crease and push that down. So now we have the tail exactly where we want it in the JoJo bow. So I'm gonna, one more time, I'm gonna take my Mini Bowdabra wand and just scrunch everything down. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire. And you may, if you're using the Mini, you can also do this in the regular. And if you're using the Mini, you're gonna have to pretty much push it down because, as I said, this ribbon is very thick. So I'm gonna pull the ends through my slip knot, again, hold my bow down while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. Pull it really, really, really tight. Now pull it out, separate the ends, and again, I'm gonna pull it tight, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie it. I'm also going to kind of shape my bow, and I'm going to bring the loops the way that I need them. And before I finish shaping, what I want to do is take my my ribbon here, and I folded it in half. It's the exact same ribbon. And this is how we're gonna make the little knot that you always see on the front of the JoJo bow. And I'm just going to knot that. And then I'm gonna just take a little glue, and I'm gonna glue that down there. Take a little bit more glue. And just make sure that it's glued really tight. So once the glue is dried, then you just take your Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just gonna tie on and knot the ponytail holder, and then just clip the ends. And I've already put fray check or clear nail polish so that the ends will stay. And with the JoJo bow, on this front, we always put a little gem. So I'm gonna put my gem right there. And now you have a beautiful JoJo bow. That's so simple to make in the Mini Bowdabra. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.